Most people think coding starts with a giant wall of strange symbols and huge textbooks. It looks more like decoding an alien language than building something useful. For years, beginners were told to start with the hardest tools, learn memory management, understand pointers, and master complex languages before creating anything. But that path came from a different era, when computers were slow and programmers had to control every tiny detail. Today, coding is much simpler. At its core, coding is just giving clear instructions to a computer. Think about a simple rule. If hungry, order food. That kind of logic is exactly how programming works. In the past, programmers controlled everything: memory, hardware, performance, like building the entire engine before driving the car. Modern tools changed that. Frameworks and platforms already solved many difficult problems. Programming languages also evolved. Ideas can now be written quickly and clearly with far less code. The most important skill is not typing code, it is thinking clearly and breaking problems into small steps. Developers now assemble building blocks, databases, interfaces, and services to create software faster. A simple app might only need a button, a form, a place to store information, and a screen to show results. The real obstacle is not coding, it is the fear that everything must be learned before starting. But programmers learn by building small projects. Each project makes the next one easier. You probably do not need to learn C++ to start coding today. Curiosity, logic, and building small things are enough.